Hey guys, so welcome to a new video, and today we are going to discuss insertion sort. So insertion sort basically is a technique where you select one element at a time and then insert it to its correct position according to the sort order. So now as you see we have the array here, and we'll start with the index 1, that is the second element, and we'll see if the elements on the left side are greater than that, and if that's the case we'll move them, shift them towards the right. Now we consider that initially the right part is unsorted, so the whole array is unsorted at the moment, and the left part is sorted, so we'll move this line towards the right as in when we go throughout the array. Right, now let's start. So consider this array. So let's start with the first index 20. So we see that 20, we have taken that out. Now see that 43 is greater than that, so we move 43 to the place of 20 and 20 to the place of 43. Now as we see there's only one element, we move forward. We take 15, we see that 43 is greater than 15, we move 43 to the 15th place. Then we move 20 to 43's place. Why? Because 20 is greater than 15, and then we move 15 to its original place where it should be. Now let's move forward to the next step, which is 36. So 36, we see this is less than 43, so we move 43 to the place of 36, and we see that 20 is less than 36, so we don't have to go forward, we just place 36 at the place of 43. Now when we move again forward, we see that 10 is less than 43, then we see we move 43 to the place of 10. Then we go to the next the previous index, we see 36, so 36 is also greater than 10. Then we see that okay, 20, so 20 is also greater than 10, so we move 20. Then after that we see that 15 is also greater than 10, so we have to move 15 as well, so we move 15 to the next place, which is the place of the 20. And then now we see that the original place of 10 is at the beginning, so we move 10 to the beginning. Now the next is 52. So we see that 52 is already on its place. Why? Because it's the greatest element, so we don't have to move it. So now you see that we have reached the end of the array, and all the elements are now sorted. If you see 10, 15, 20, 36, 43, 52, they are in an order, they are in increasing order, so the array is sorted now. So let's see this now through the code. Now as you see, we have taken an initial array and initialize it with the same elements that we had, or you can take different elements as well. Now we have taken a for loop which will run from 0 to the length of the array. So we'll take I equal to 0, I less than array of length, and I plus plus. Now what we'll do inside this is we'll take a variable and we'll assign the value of I, the value of array of I to value. Now we'll take an empty integer to set the index of the value that we keep, the index that we want to replace. Now while that empty is greater than 0 and the value of array of empty minus 1, which is the previous element, is greater than the value which we have taken, the value of ARR of 5, we'll run the loop, and what we'll do is we'll just move elements. Why? Like we just saw that if the element is greater than the value, we move it to the next one, then we move it to the next one again and again, unless we find a smaller element. As and when we find a smaller element, we break the loop. So you see we've assigned the array of empty minus 1 to array of empty, and then we have just decremented empty so that we can come out of the condition. And at the end, what we do is we assign that value that we have to its original place where it should be. So we have inserted that element to the place it should be there. Now let's try and run this. So we'll just compile that using Java C insertion sort.java. Compile successfully, and then we'll just run it through Java insertion sort. Okay, so, and as you see, the numbers are now in increasing order, so we have successfully sorted the array. Okay, so this is the very simple approach of insertion sort, And do let me know if you have any doubts or if you don't understand the approach. Do let me know in the comment section. And if you like our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and help us grow so that we can keep bringing you a lot of more videos like this. And welcome to Code to Learn.